Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tutorials 2K21. So in this video we are going to learn how to create threads in Java programming language by using the first way, that is of extending the thread class. So in Java programming language, thread is nothing but it's a lightweight process, so which is in execution. So in Java, we can create threads in two ways. The first method is by extending the thread class, and second method is by implementing the runnable interface. So here we'll go through the first method. So here I'm created two threads. So this is my first thread, and my thread name is event num, which is extended from thread class. And in my run method, I'm going to print even numbers from 0 to 50 by simply the logic here. So this is my second thread, name is odd num, which is extended from my thread class. In this run method, I'm going to print the odd numbers between 0 to 50 by simply this logic. So here is my main thread class. So my class name is thread example. So why is it this is my main thread class? Because my main method is here only, and here I am creating objects for my two thread classes, even num and odd num, and t1 t2 are the objects of my threads even num and odd num respectively. So here I started my second thread first by using the statement like t2.start, and then I'll start my first thread, that is t1.thread. So your Java program, it starts execution from this class itself. So now by this two statement, it's going to create objects for your thread classes even num and odd num, and after that the thread 2 is started. So the thread 2 is created for odd num. So this run method is called. So it is printed from the odd numbers between 0 to 15, and after that the thread 1 run method is called, because the t1 is already started. So this run method is called, and it is going to print the even numbers between 0 to 15. I just execute this program. So simply in my command prompt, I simply written Java C, and my program name is thread dot. So Java C thread example dot Java. So after successful compilation, it will prompt you again. So here I execute my program. So simply I am given Java. This is my interpreter command, and here I am given thread class. Thread example, right? This is my class file. So I just execute this program. Now you can see like the odd numbers, that is 1 to 50, and then the even numbers from 0 to 14.